Keto Explorer. I am your favorite solo woman traveler, and today I am going to give you a tour of this Riad, the Heure Bleue here in Essaouira. So of course I'm going to do a room tour, and I'm going to take you around the Riad, the hotel, to show you what's inside of this Riad, so you can know if you want to stay here, if you ever visit Essaouira. So first off, we're going to start with the room tour. Oh, nice shower, thank goodness. Nice shower, okay. Get into the details. They actually have washcloths here. Get into the details. The conditioner. This one actually has a TV. So this room is really nice. There's a lot of details in here. This is a 5-star hotel or Riad. And upon checking into the room, the bellhop actually came up with me and shared with me on how to work certain things. So let me show you some of those things here in the room. So this is an all power off switch. So when you click that, everything turns off in the room or turns on in the room, and there are individual switches here. There's also covers to the windows as well as blinds or curtains. You have a full length mirror. I see flies in here. I gotta close that window. And there's a TV. The Riad that we stayed in Marrakesh did not have a TV. There's a desk, so that's lovely. There is a luggage rack. I'm not big with luggage racks because, you know, bugs and stuff like that, but yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. There is a nice eating area here with a table to eat on. It has some nice details, rose petals, which are nice. We have some decor here or something. I don't know what's in here. Looks like maybe these are snacks. Oh yeah, there's some fruit in here. Some fruit. They do have water in the room. Some nice artwork next to the bed. Bed looks comfortable. Here's another desk area with a remote. Has some information about Heure Bleue or Heure Bleue. You see Heure Bleue Palais, Mahaba. They're delighted to welcome you at Heure Bleue Palais. We hope that your stay with us will be enjoyable. If there's anything that our team can do to assist you, please do not hesitate to let us know. And so there's some information here. Cups for coffee and tea. As you can see, they have tea here. They have coffee, daily for your coffee. And so all this stuff is included, the water. But if you want extra, it will be an additional cost. They do have room service, and they have a mini fridge down here for you to keep your stuff nice and cool. So I am actually going to decompress a little bit and go on a tour of the hotel.
Oh, right, but we also have wine right now. Well, you have wine right now. Yeah. Lord.
This is where breakfast is held in the morning. This is for dinner. This is spa. Oh, I like this. What's this? Get a drink for the menu. Okay. Wow, this is really nice in here. This is the bar and drinking room. Really nice. Different types of liquor there. A chess table. That's so random. And a piano. Currently in the elevator going up to the 4th floor. Apparently there is a rooftop, so I want to get up there before the sun fully sets. Let's check out this rooftop. Wow, gorgeous. I have to come back up here and take photos with a different outfit. Wow. Pool. Seating area. It's the Atlantic Ocean. Essaouira. This is gorgeous. Mountains over there in the distance. Beautiful. Have showers and a water closet up here. So they have lunch up here. During the day. I think the lunch starts at 11 or 11:30. I can't fully remember. Till 3. It's not as hot as here. Not as hot here as it is in Marrakesh. So but you can get bar service downstairs and bring it back up. Here's the bar during the day. Cool towels looks like they have to clean up. Look at the moon peeking behind the bushes here. Essaouira. This rooftop is a whole vibe, and you can see the beautiful Essaouira behind me. This hotel is right in the Medina here in Essaouira. And that cacti just got my shirt, but this is really nice. This is a 5-star hotel. Wonderful amenities in the room. I need to take you down to the 2nd floor, I believe, because there is a game room and a cinema on the 2nd floor, so I need to show you that. But this is really nice, like just sitting up here relaxing with a drink. I don't necessarily have to get in the pool. I did bring a swimsuit. I don't have to get in the pool. Just sitting up here relaxing on this rooftop would be really nice. It's kind of breezy right now. The temperature here in Essaouira is cooler than Marrakesh, because Marrakesh is in the middle of the desert, whereas Essaouira is actually in between a mountain forest range and the Atlantic Ocean here in the northern tip of Africa. But yeah, this is definitely worth its 5-star rating so far. So let me take some more photos and head back downstairs. So now I'm walking down the stairs because the elevator feels a little shaky to me. As you see, it's not bright, but I'm going to walk down to the second floor from the rooftop, which is on the 4th floor, to the game room and cinema to check that out. He did say that the cinema, or the hotel staff said, like in the cinema, you can, they have satellite and everything in there, so they can program whatever we would like to watch if you wanted to watch, okay? Okay, so to get to the cinema and the game room in here, you have to go down to the ground floor and then cross over where there's breakfast to go up to the room, which is on the 1st floor, but it's a different stairwell specifically only for the cinema and the game room. So here is the game room. Which is only billiards. They do have tables for you to sit and drink or eat. They have the billiards. They have some comfy chairs. So that's nice. And then across the hall, they have the cinema. So they have some comfy chairs in here. They have a big projector over there. They have a table. I guess you could play some cards or something in here, right? And then they have a gang of DVDs. Like, what do they have? They said they could program anything here. But, yeah. So, yeah, these are different stairs than the ones to access the room in the terrace. So as you can see, these stairs go along the back. So those are the stairs. I just wanted to come in here. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this Riad Heure Bleue. It has a lot of French influences, but a little bit about the history. One of the staffers of the hotel came over and let us know that this building actually used to be an orphanage until around 1940-ish, I believe. And then it wasn't occupied again until 1998 when the current owners bought this building and renovated it and turned it into this Riad. It opened its doors in 2004, so they just celebrated their 20 years in business. So I thought that was some interesting history to know that this used to actually be an orphanage, right? But if you enjoyed this video and enjoy this tour of this Riyadh Heure Bleue, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks so they can get a tour of this Riyadh as well. And if you would love to support my business even further, you can leave me a tip by hitting the thanks button below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.